can see that happen.
Oh yeah, look at that hole! You can see the
It
crater!
hit the ground.
You can see a crater.
Grandpa, we just showed that bad. We'll just go right up to it and point blank.
Over here so we can get a clear shot to the branches. Dad, you're gonna have to pull it back.
No, I can do it.
Now let Dad, because that way we'll make sure we get the velocity.
Yeah. We'll get this.
Alright, Dad, straight shot, eh? Ready? Ready. Go for it.
Fire at will.
Ah!
A little branch,
Dropped it too.
One
So
little.
let's get the frontal view.
Here, Dad.
Oh,
Stay
yeah,
with
there's
steering
the
wheel.
view.
No, we'll launch it over
Yeah.
him. We can
This
launch
is
it
the
over
camera.
him.
No,
Yeah, we'll launch it over. You got that.
No, we will. We
You
will.
can actually let them do this already. I wouldn't trust these
Put
guys
your
as
arms
far
up.
as I can throw.
No, wait, no.
Careful.
Go.
That's the shed.
I got it. I got it. That's the first one I got on.
I can't believe, all you needed to do is kind of tilt that a little more like this.
If I would have
Camera, Rich.
If I would have
Oh, I thought he was going over. He starts going.
Yeah, whoops, there he goes.
3D House of Balloons.
This movie's filmed in 3B.
3B.
3 beers and it looks okay.